In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access General Management. Then select Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, some smart typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones, or just click on the chosen one and click on the switcher here. Then go back, scroll down and tap on More Typing Options. Then manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!